Today I want to talk to you about our big block Ford alternator mount kit. So as you can see, you got all the pieces here, minus the hardware, just doesn't fit in the frame very well. So the kit comes with a pulley we make here, spacer. Now this goes on your balancer, then the pulley goes on the spacer, and you can see it fits pretty nice. Comes with a turnbuckle for tensioning the belt. This spacer goes between your motor plate and the turnbuckle. Space it off, get the angle correct. And then it comes with this spacer here, or standoff rather. This mounts to the cylinder head. It has a hex on here so you can tighten it. There's a set screw that goes in the cylinder head, and then this screws onto it. You can torque it down. And then your 7/16 mount bolt for your pivot on your alternator goes in here. And then you can torque it all down. We are working on offering these in black anodized as well. You can see what they will look like. And then the kit comes with the belt. This is the belt that they come with. As with all of our stuff, the kit comes with everything you need to install it, including the hardware. It's made in the United States, made by us, and we stand behind it 100%. We've been running these things for quite a while now and have had zero issues. We run it on the DREWFAB boat, which has had it on there for about 3 seasons now and several races. Sees 6,500 RPM on the regular, and we've never thrown a belt, never worn a belt, never had any issues. So we do stand behind this, and we believe it's a very good product and a superior product to a lot of things available out there today. If you want to buy this, you can head on over to www.drewbuilt.com/shop, and you can get them there. We have them in stock in the bare, non-anodized, and ready to rock and roll for you. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the little bell icon, and it'll notify you every time we make a new video. Thank you.